Howdy folks, welcome back to the old channel. Sorry about the wind noise. We're fitting to get back in the cab, but what we're doing is burning up these piles here. And actually, since we're running this today, that there grapple, I think we'll just take this over there and make short work of it. There's this one here, which looks about the biggest. 2, 3, 4 inside of what's been raked, so we'll go get that. Just a little something different piece of equipment today anyway. There you go. Let's tear down. Place is ready to plant this winter, and this being one of them. Just trying to figure out the best spot to grab that pile right there from. Probably from the back, right over here. This loader belongs to Clay and Sherry. This is Sherry's loader, more or less. She's the one that run it the most, and I really don't want to mess up Miss Sherry's machine, but I do like running it. I know that much. This thing is some kind of nice. And there's a stump. Sorry, Sherry, couldn't see that one. Anywho, takes some getting used to on the controls, because it your shifter for forward and reverse is actually on your joystick that runs your bucket or your rake. So it does take a little getting used to. Kind of wish instead of another lever right there, it had a maybe a toggle or something on the side of the joystick for the grapple. Kind of like any of y'all that's running a grapple on the farm tractor. Yeah, I think it's WR long, maybe. I think that's right. It's the company that builds a third function valve for most of your Kubotas and Mahindras and John Deeres and stuff. Anyway, that's how theirs is. You've got a little thumb switch there, and it's just nice because it's all right there in your hand. This, you kind of reach out with your pinky finger and get it. Just something different, get used to. There's so many big stumps out here. That's why I'm not trucking back and forth across the ground, because I don't want to beat the machine apart. I don't want to beat me apart. But it does ride good, considering terrain we're in. I can imagine if you were in a pit or something, just floating away where it was smooth all day. Golly, what's that like? We've got a couple of stumps here and there. Make it a little rougher to operate. But anyway, I do like this thing. Beats taking a dozer and having to roll this stuff a long way to a pile across the ground, keeping dirt knocked out of it. And you can sift with this thing, like where your windrows are at, where they burn. You can run along with that. That's a Pemberton grapple raking combo that's on the front. You can run along that thing and sift that mess out of there so easy. John called me a while ago. He had something flip around behind his blade and bust one of the lines on the 6-way on the little 450. It happens, and honestly, that's the first time
time he's done that. I mean, you know, the guy calls and just owns it right out of the gate. Hey, I messed up, did this. I've had it happen to me too. See, as a boss man, you just act a little irritated, you know, not too bad. It tightens them up a little bit. No, John's pretty good at him. Be nice to throw some in on that other side, but we're gonna stay on the upwind side. Really don't want to burn up Sherry's load. You know, it's tell when a lady runs a piece of equipment like this, because she's got nice little smell goods right there in the air conditioner vents. It's always clean in here. It's not like you get a machine after a guy and it just smells like farts. That's the truth. Try getting a track wrapper Matson in it. Knock a buzzard off a gut wagon. Paul Harvey. Now for the rest of the story. Said something about John busting a hose a while ago. Okay, fair enough. Accidents are going to happen. This is the first time in, oh my gosh, going on a year. I mean, it's getting on over close to a year John's worked for me. This is the first time that he has busted a hose. And working in the woods, that's pretty good. So he goes, gets one made, comes back, attempts to put it on. They had made the hose wrong at the parts house. Fitting externally was the correct size, but it had a different style thread, something. I don't know, I wasn't there. Either way, it wouldn't work. So, second trip to the parts house, he goes back and gets them to make another one. Okay. Comes back, puts that on. One of the fittings was defective and leaked. Had a crack in it. So he's on his third trip to the parts house. So that bulldozer has cost me money today. That's great. Just super excited about that. I know you guys can tell. So we're gonna finish raking up this little spot right here. That's gonna be enough for today. I've got to go get that Reynolds tree planter hooked up to the farm tractor and get it pulled around there where I can do some work ahead. Tree planting season is approaching quickly, and the Reynolds need some work, the C&Gs need some work, so there's a lot to be done before the first tree goes in the ground. And I'm trying to stay ahead of the 8 ball, but it's flat short. It ain't been easy lately. We've had all sorts of stuff going on, not bad stuff, just been busy. So, you know, not grumbling and griping. I'm glad we've been busy. But been thinking all year on getting these planters ready and right. I had actually already done some work to the Reynolds. But just ain't enough hours in the day, it seems like. But anyhow, we're gonna get her done. Look here, Matt and I are working on a pretty cool project. It's gonna take us a little bit to get it completed, and I'm gonna go ahead and, because the way we're doing it, I can go ahead and start editing that. So as we progress with it, it won't take as long to get the video out to you guys. But I think it's a cool project. Maybe y'all will too. But you'll see that. Stay tuned for that. We are getting close to, like I said, planting trees. We'll do some more. I'm gonna try and get some better shots this year. Kind of show off what it's like out there a little better. also looking at, I'm currently searching for a Ford 3000 tractor. No, I don't need one. My wife sees this. Yes, ma'am, I understand. I do not need another farm tractor. I got 3 of them. Anyway, I know, it's not enough. But I'm looking for a 3000 for a, basically for the channel. Over a year ago, did a video on rebuilding hydraulics in a Ford 3000, and that to date has been our absolutely most popular video. And those are extremely popular tractors, and I like them. I like the design. They're tough old tractors, and there are piles of them still out working today. And I go to YouTube a lot looking for how to do different things on, you know, fixing stuff. And I want to learn it myself, number one. But I want a project tractor for our channel, and that we can make some good how-to videos on those tractors. I've done some stuff already on, you know, for customers on replacing injector pumps, and I've got one that we're going to rebuild the injectors in it this fall when it's not being used quite so much, and I'm not quite as busy. Still busy, but not as busy. Just several different things, but I want, if you guys know of anybody that's got a basket case 3000, I mean, I'm not, I don't care if we've got to rebuild the engine. You know, I'm looking for a true basket case. I'm not looking for a put it to work kind of tractor. I want one that does need the hydraulics rebuilt. I need one that's got some wear on it, so you can see components that are worn whenever it comes apart. So if you guys know of anybody that's got one they want to get rid of, number two, I'm not paying top dollar for a piece of junk. Just understand that, but I am willing to purchase one if it's, you know, a reasonable price. I've been tearing up Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace for weeks now, trying to find just the right one. So, you know, somebody's got one, let me know. I need one to rebuild. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Very much appreciated. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below. Love hearing from y'all. Subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so that you